A drug addicted person read an article that 95% of the thoughts are same as of the previous day. So he tried his best to input 5% of positive and new thoughts every day into his brain. The day when he acquired more than 80% of the positive thoughts in his brain, he got rid of his addiction. Assuming that before this practice there were 100% of the negative thoughts, find the number of days he required to get rid of the addiction. You are watching Brain Exploders, the world where brain starts working. We will denote positive thoughts by green color and negative thoughts by blue color. According to question, before his efforts of getting rid of his addiction, there were 100% of negative thoughts. On the day first, 95% of these thoughts will repeat and rest 5% will be positive thoughts. On the second day, again the 95% of the thoughts will be repeated, but this time positive thoughts will also repeat. So on the second day, there are only 95% of the negative thoughts as compared to first day. Similarly, on the third day, there are 95% of negative thoughts as compared to second day. In total, there are 5% positive thoughts on the first day, 5 plus 5 times 95 over 100 on the second day. If we continue this process, then we find that the positive thoughts on the nth day are the sum of a geometric progression whose first term is 5 and common ratio is 0.95. On the other hand, negative terms on the nth day are the nth term of a geometric progression. It means calculating the percentage of negative thoughts is easier than positive thoughts. When there will be more than 80% of the positive thoughts, negative thoughts will become less than 20%. So we have to find the smallest integral value of n for which 95 times n minus 1th power of 95 over 100 is less than 20. 95 over 100 is less than 1, therefore, on increasing the value of n, LHS will decrease. Transfer 95 to the right hand side of the inequality. Both the values are positive, therefore, on taking their reciprocals, sign of inequality will change. If you don't change it in this step, you will have to change it later because log of a value which is less than 1 is negative and transfer of any negative value also changes the sign of inequality. Now, on taking log and solving, we find that required number of days to get rid of the addiction are 32. Let's see what will happen if he inserts only 4% of positive thoughts and 1% of the negative thoughts per day into his brain. In such case, on the first day, he will have 4% positive thoughts. On the second day, he will have 4 plus 95% of the 4% and so on. Similarly, 95% of the negative thoughts will be repeated and 1% will be added every day. So, the positive thoughts on the nth day are 4 times 1 plus 95 over 100 plus 95 over 100 squared and so on. There is a similar summation for negative thoughts, but an additional term is also present. On calculation, we find that on nth day, positive and negative thoughts are 80 minus 80 times nth power of 95 over 100 and 20 plus 80 times nth power of 95 over 100 respectively. You can see that no matter how big n is, the number of positive thoughts will always remain less than 80. It means if he inserts less than or equal to 4% of positive thoughts, he can never get rid of this addiction. Let's move to our another question. Two candles, one of which is 3 cm longer than other, are lighted. The longer one is lighted at 5:30 pm and the shorter at 7 pm. At 9:30 pm, they both are of the same length. The longer one burns out at 11:30 pm and the shorter one at 11 pm. How long was each candle originally? Try this question and send us your solution, and if you have any question like this then please share with us. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel Brain Exploders. Thanks.